The U.S. dollar is mixed on Thursday, higher against the yen, but weaker against the euro and the pound. There are several cross-currents at play today. Now, the euro is seeing some support today, and there is optimism over Emmanuel Macron winning the second round of the French presidential election this weekend. And in the UK, services PMI for April unexpectedly rose to a 4-month high at 55.8. Here in the U.S., the Federal Reserve ended its two-day meeting with no change in rates. Now, the Fed surprised markets by maintaining a hawkish stance despite the softening outlook for the U.S. Now, speaking about the U.S., weekly jobless claims fell 19,000 in the latest week to 238,000. Meanwhile, U.S. trade figures showed a decline in the deficit by 0.1% in March, and imports fell by 0.7%, while exports dropped 0.9%. Other economic data in the U.S. show that unit labor costs in the first quarter rose 3%, while productivity fell by 0.6%. In New York morning trade, euro-dollar is higher by 0.4% at 1.0926. The pound against the U.S. currency is higher by 0.25% at 1.2896. Dollar-yen is higher by 0.2% at 112.97. Now, the euro-yen is the currency pair in focus today. That pair is bullish and supported by a rising trend line. Long positions above 122.5 are supported, with targets standing at 123.75 and 124.10 in extension. Precious metals are bearish today. Gold is capped by its 20 and 50-day moving averages. Short positions below 1241.5 are preferred, with targets standing at 1227 and 1222 in extension. Meanwhile, silver futures are off 0.7% at $16.43. And that does wrap it up for this morning. I'm Remy Blair reporting from the New York Stock Exchange. Make sure to follow us on Twitter at Trading Central. Have a great day.